Let's talk oil. Does longer, more efficient engine life sound good? How about smoother, quieter performance? If so, you should seriously consider the benefits of synthetic oil. Here are 4 reasons why. 1. Synthetic oil is chemically pure. It contains virtually 0 natural impurities. That means a cleaner running engine. 2. Synthetic oil is chemically constant. It lasts longer before breaking down. Translation: more lubrication for longer engine life. 3. Synthetic oil flows easier in the cold. It's chemically engineered to remain fluid even in frigid temperatures, enabling it to better protect your engine during cold starts. And 4. Synthetic oil is more stable in the heat. It's chemically formulated to better resist high temperatures and evaporation, which means the hotter your engine runs, the better synthetic oil protects. So what makes synthetic oil so great? Well, it's chemically engineered to be great. It's like bionic. Plus, it's not only refined, but also distilled, purified, and broken down into uniform molecules that are ideal for modern engines. Want to learn more? Visit a Mopar service expert at your local Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, Fiat dealer and ask about the many benefits of synthetic oil. Mopar. We built it. We know it.